In today's video, I will teach you how to darken the background of photos in Lightroom. Let's get started. Darkening the background in Lightroom helps make your subject stand out and create a more dramatic effect. You can do this using the masking tools, the radial filter, or the adjustment brush. The first method is using the select subject and invert mask, which is the easiest and fastest method. If your photo has a clear subject, Lightroom can automatically detect it. You can start by opening the Develop module, then click on Masking or simply press M on your keyboard. Then choose Select Subject. Once the subject is selected, click Invert so the background is selected. Then lower the exposure at around -0.5 to -1.5 to darken the background. Then adjust the shadows and blacks for more depth. This is best to use for portraits and product photography with a clear subject. The second method is using the Radial Gradient for a natural look. This is great for vignettes and soft light fall-off effects. The first step is clicking Masking, then select Radial Gradient. Then drag a circle around your subject and you can resize it as needed. Then click Invert to select the background. Then lower the exposure, shadows, and blacks for a darkened effect. Then increase the feathering at around 80 to 100% for a smooth transition. This is best to use for spotlight effects and soft background darkening. The third method is using the brush tool for manual darkening. If the background is complex, you can use the adjustment brush for full control. You can start by clicking Masking, then choose Brush or simply press K on your keyboard. Then paint over the background, and you can use the Auto Mask for cleaner edges. Then lower the exposure at around -0.5 to -2 and adjust the shadows and blacks. Then increase the feather for smooth blending. This is best for detailed edits and complex backgrounds. And here are some extra tips for a natural effect. Make sure to avoid making the background completely black, unless for creative effect. Then use feathering and flow to blend adjustments naturally. Then enhance contrast with slight clarity and texture adjustments. By following these steps, you can darken any background in Lightroom and create a more dramatic and professional photo. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.